Good afternoon, yes, how are you? Did you miss it so nicely? So this is me heading to work. It's also a bit early, but still, it is fine. It's a very chilling day. It's a very cold day, actually. So yeah, my boss is coming in 2 minutes, so which is a good thing. Any of them will do. I'd rather have 38 if it comes before. But if it doesn't, then I have no choice, catch 33, or walk it to the other side, to the bus stop. But anyhow, how are you guys? Did you miss me? I missed you. It's such an okay day today. I'm not wearing my the striped clothes that I was wearing for Stranger Things. Oh, bus is here, bus is here. So I'll talk to you later, guys, because I need to head to work. And yeah, I'll talk to you when I get home. Alright guys, this is me ending my vlog. It was like, I feel so tired. Literally tired. Like, I feel like something hitting my head, telling me like, your body's not gonna get the good rest that you need. But, I don't know. I might get the rest I want. Sorry, it's just my back is so itchy. Anyway. Tomorrow I'm doing 3 till 7. I'm like, oh my god, why? I just don't want to do 3 till 7, you know what I mean? It's just a bit, no, thank you. But I'm so tired, literally tired. I just want to go to sleep. Anyway, I think I did a second yawn. Today was not a good day. The weather was horrible. It kept on raining, then sunshine, then raining, you know what I mean? Oh my god. Like, I put an Instagram story about the rain, and I was like, oh my gosh. Like a huge rain. And I was like, oh my days. Well, there's a third one there. I told you I'm so tired. It's like unbelievable because I couldn't record much like this morning because the bus came just there. So I was like, you know what, I need to catch my bus and get there. And then bus came straight forward, but when I had to go home, the bus was taking so long. My mom wanted a face wash. I was like, alright, then I'll just grab it. So I went to Superdrug. I got the face wash, and of course I got 7-Up as well, just to like, you know, have a chill pill drink, but I still didn't feel that well. So yeah, since I got home and I was drinking and eating, but I still don't feel satisfied. Like lunchtime, which before I start work, I had hot chocolate with tuna and cheese melt panini. Tell you the truth, I wasn't happy with the panini because I was like, I'd rather have cheese and onion than the panini. Like, I used to do that when I like used to have lots of money. Like, I used to go. Sorry, this is the fifth yawn, but I don't care. I want to tell you my story. So yeah, my history story. When I used to go to college and I used to have lots of money, right? Like, I used to like go to the cafe in Princess Mall, which is called Waverly Mall now. So yeah, there used to be a place that where the ice cream place parlor is now, or is that still, you know, I don't know. I saw ice cream on that place, so I was really ill, guys. So just yeah, I used to have tuna cheese panini with hot chocolate, and I used to have that like every week, and I used to be like, oh my god, that is so good that time. But now it's like, oh no, I don't like the combination of it. Even though it's from Costa as well. Just like it, guys. Ooh, I am seriously tired. So this is going to be my short video because I am so tired and I can't be bothered talking and my head is so sore. Hopefully I wake up on time and shower and then get to work. If I don't, shower doesn't matter. I just need to get to work on time, that's all. So I'm planning to sleep properly because I start at 3. So in a way, I will have proper sleep. You will have a sore head. But okay. This is more than my usual yawn, so I hope you take care, like, and subscribe, and hopefully tomorrow becomes a better day for me. Good night, guys.